Hello everyone. Today we are diving into Google Forms, a powerful tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and more. In this short video, you will learn everything you need to know to get started. Let's jump right in. Google Forms is a free tool that lets you create forms, surveys, and quizzes with ease. All you need is a Google account to get started. To access Google Form, go to forms.google.com. When you click it, it will open a workspace like this. Once you are on the Google Forms homepage, click on the blank option to start a new form. This will open a blank Untitled Form. First, you give your form a title and description. So I put over there first try. It will change over there too. So uh, now I'm going to put the descriptions. First, practice of this form. Now, click on the untitled question. The first questions, it comes by default. So I put a question like write down your name. You can choose the different types of questions like multiple questions, short questions. On the right here, next to the questions, uh, after this one image, there is a image icon. There is a drop down choices like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, and on and on. So for this one, I will choose a short answer because it will be a short answer for the questions. And you can use the toolbar on the right here. You can see a toolbar over there. There are some options given: plus sign, import question. You can also import question from some other things. Like if you click here, you can select other forms as well. So from there, you can import the questions. You can add the title. You can add some title. So I don't want now. You can add the image. If you click the image, it will come over there. So you can add a video. You can add other sections. So now on the below of the questions, you found the bold, italic, underline, insert link, etc. These are some choices you can add. You can actually bold your text over there. So if you click it, it will come bold. If you can make it italic, or you can underline it, or you can add some link to this text if you want to add. So on the bottom of this question section, you'll find some options. One is that duplicate one, then the delete one, and there's a record. If you want the user to answer or answer mandatory answer, you can press over there. So the audience or the answer giver cannot skip these sections. So I unclick it. On the next, there is a more option, three dot more option. Click over there. You'll find the descriptions, response, validations. Also, you can find the top section, the first try. Also here, you can minimize that lower sections. Same thing here, the duplicate sections, move sections, delete sections. That's how you can actually duplicate this one. If you want to undo it, on the top of that form or the workspace, you'll found two sign. One is undo, one is redo. If you press the undo, it will undo the last work you did. So Now, if you want to add another multiple choice question, press the plus sign. There's a multiple choice. You can add a question. Choose your options. So there's option 1, option 2, option 3. Now, we just added two questions. So we want to see how it looks like when a user get it. So on the top there is an icon called preview. It looks like eye, human eye. So click over there. It will show you that outlook that the user will get. So over there you can see that all options. The question, write down your name, choose your options. Now again back to the workspace. If we go to top, there are some options like add-ons, customize theme, preview, undo, redo, send. There are more options and the account that I logged in. The add-on one, there's two add-on I actually added to this from Builder Plus and from Ranger. There is a good thing about the Google Form is you can add some plugin or add-on to update your workspace that will help you to make some complicated or advanced survey forms. If you want to add the add-ons, you need to go to the more icons. Click over there and you'll see there are some options: make a copy, move to trash, get field link, print, add collaborators. If you want to add more collaborator or per human person to add to this editing, you can edit. You can skip editor. I will talk about this later. And there is the get add-on. If you click over there, it will open a pop-up window with a add-on marketplace. Same as like our Play Store, the apps we actually install for the Play Store. It will give lots of options. For this one, there are Google Workspace Marketplace here. Some are free, some are paid. So we can choose some add-on as you desire to add. So this all from this one. I will discuss these things in my upcoming videos because this video is for only for beginners. So I close it down. So here the second one, the customize theme. If I click over there, you can customize the design or the look of the theme. Actually, the header, you can choose the font, you can choose font style, you can size, you can choose the height is 24. The question, you can also choose the font style. You can choose the any style you want, and you can add the header image. You go over there. There are some pre-made header image are already in the Google Form. So when you will click it, it will open a pop-up window with some suggested images. Also, you can upload from there from your own image gallery. You can add some photos. So now this is for the basic ones. I can choose something from there, but on here you can choose the categories: illustrations, birthday, food and dining, party, just kids, wedding, night out, sports and games. Actually, as per your required field or category, you can choose the image. So I'm just put something like this one actually. So from there, now the next one is so the image already here. You can choose the background color. You can choose this from here. You can also add customize color. You can the color you like. You can do it. Edit. You can do it easily. So you can choose here. You can choose there. So now again we want to see how it looks like as the user eye, as the user see or user view in user view. Here we can see what we just have done, the outlook of the form. Again we go back to the workspace. So it's all from the customers. You can play around. uh, I only showed a preview, undo, redo. From the send, if you click the send, it will open again a pop-up window with some options. Here on the top, send from. Here another option, that's collect email addresses. Sometimes if you do generate business lead forms or lead business lead, you need to collect the emails. So here some drop down option, verified one, responder input. So you can choose, but now I don't need to do not collect. So how I want to send this? Send via email or link, copy link and put any social messenger group, WhatsApp group, LinkedIn message options, anything you want. Another one is the embedded HTML. You can put this one on your website, so you can another you can generate business lead as well. So on here email you can add like email that you from your list, like my one I can choose over there, the subject name, and here the message I have invited you to fill out a form. You can change your anything from here, include form in email. Okay, if you go over there, you can there's a long link. You can shorten down actually. So and click over there. It will make the link short and copy it. Also, you can share by the Facebook and Twitter as well. Click over there. It will open another window. So you can post in your actually timeline. So I close it down. So that's all from here. And if you click here, you can find my account that I logged in for this. So you can add another account. So this is the very basic. I hope you got a small understanding, or I think clear understanding from this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment sections. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for new upcoming videos. And I will try to make another advanced video for this Google form. Till then, happy learning.